Hey everyone, Random Shoki here. I know it's been quite a while since we guys have met. I took a bit of a break, longer than I expected, but I'm finally back. I don't think I can promise the contents are gonna be at a good frequency, but I'll make sure the content which I'm gonna deliver will be of a higher quality. So here we go. Let's get started with another random video. In this video, I'll be reviewing the products which I purchased from AliExpress, and I've used them for quite some time, and I'll be showcasing those products to you guys. So the first product which we'll be reviewing is the Xiaomi Mija electric precision screwdriver. This precision set screwdriver cost me around 17 pounds. This is a very compact screwdriver kit and it can easily fit in your backpack, and it is a great addition for hobbyists and people who do repairs on regular basis. Let's open the packaging and see what's inside. So inside we get a USB-A to USB-C charging cable and a user manual which is mostly in Chinese, and then the screwdriver kit itself. So let's open the kit now. And the feel of this kit is amazing. It's completely made out of aluminum. To open it, you just press the top of the kit and it just pops right out. Here you have the bits required for your repairs as well as the screwdriver. The screwdriver seems to be of high quality. And at the top you can see the torque adjustments. It has 2-speed torques. And at the bottom you have the clockwise or counterclockwise rotation adjustments. And the bits are also of high quality. Overall, this is a very good quality product for 17 pounds, and it could be a great addition to your collection. Now the next product is also a precision screwdriver set. This is a 48-in-1 precision screwdriver set, and this cost me around 6 pounds. Once again, this is also made out of aluminium. And it has the same opening mechanism. You just press on the top and it just pops out, and you can see all the bits on the outside. And you can't find the screwdriver anywhere. The screwdriver is located on the top. So to bring that out, you have to push 2 levers on the bottom side and it just pops up. So here you can see the levers. So this is the screwdriver. So the quality of the metal is okay, because when I used it, so it has a little bit of chipping on the outside, and the bits are of low quality too, but they get the job done. Next product is a ear cleaner with camera. So I got this product because I wanted to know how it works. So this cost me around 5 pounds, and as you can see, the packaging is very small, and inside you get the ear cleaner and the USB-C cable. That's it, and a few things which is required for ear cleaning. So you can see the camera at the tip there. It's a very small camera, but it is of a very high quality, and the Type-C charging at the bottom, and a single button which is used to power on the device. And it also comes with a clear-cut user manual which gives you on the aspects of how you use it. It's a very simple tool. So let's switch over to the phone and let's open the app Use Here and see how this works. So when you turn on your ear cleaner, you just go to your Wi-Fi and you connect to the ear cleaner. You can see here, use ear 33D8, so you just click on that and you can see it's connected with, and it also shows you the battery percentage here. You just click on home and you can see it's already connected to the camera. It shows you the video. And there are again two settings to the video. One is the dynamic and one would be the horizontal. Up next, we have a bunch of AirPods Pro cases. So these cost me around £2 to £3 each. So the first I'm gonna show you is the black AirPods rugged case, so which was very lightweight and also provides good protection to your AirPods, and it also fits well, and it's also easy to remove too. And you're gonna open up the second product, which usually gets thrown at your face when you open AliExpress. And you can see the quality or the finish of the product is not very good, and they stink too. Yeah. And these are also very thick compared to the black ones, which may impact your wireless charging functionality too. So let's try to fit our AirPods in, and it's a very tight fit. The AirPods doesn't want to go inside. And you can see here that it doesn't go fully in. Even if you press as hard as you can, it just doesn't fit. And the top of two doesn't fit. Maybe it's the product I got, or maybe it's the overall products, but as you can see, I did not have a good experience with this one, and even removing them is very difficult. I had to struggle to get this thing off my AirPods. Overall, the black ones seem to be a very good fit. It costs around £3, but it's worth it. Oops, I put on the wrong side. Let me just fix it. Yep. And it's done. I wouldn't recommend the silicone product, but you guys can give it a try, so your experience may vary. The next product is a memory foam ear tip. I do not recommend this ear tips. They're garbage, they stick to your ears, and overall, they're the worst products on the list. You can see when I squish them, they just hold, which is what a memory foam is supposed to do, but they hold it in such a way that it's not comfortable to your ears. So let's just eat these out. Up next, we have a bumper phone case for the iPhone 16 Pro. This was a very unusual product per se. It cost me around £6, and the packaging it came in was very good. You can see all the three camera rings which are provided, but I don't recommend using them because they ruin your camera's how do I put it, quality. You can see these frames are very lightweight, and they have stickers in them, and you also get additional stickers which I'll be showing up later. So yeah, here are the stickers. So these stickers, you just peel them and put them onto your case, and then you just stick it to your phone. This, I don't prefer these, but if you are into it, these things are for you. Up next, we have an InPic IN9 wireless gaming mouse PAW3325. The packaging for this mouse was very good. So let's just open the packaging. Ooh, the box inside. So let's just open that too. The packaging looks cool. So let's see what's inside. So here we have the mouse, the USB cable, which I've already set it up on my desk, and inside we get the wireless dongle too. It's also a Bluetooth mouse, so you can see all the three modes which you can use. The mouse is also light in weight, and it also has USB-C charging. The battery lasts for weeks. Up next, we have a 3-key macro programming keyboard, so I'll keep it short. There's just a macro keypad which was for around £3 or £3.5, depending on when you buy it, and it also has removable key switches which you can change if it is required. And it also has its own app which you can download and program the keys yourself. The switches do feel nice, and it is also USB-C. This could be a great addition for your table. Upcoming next, we have magnetic cable clips. So these are just for sorting out the cable management issues. That's it. You get these in bulk. Sometimes you find these on off. So you can get these if you're in need of these. They are of high quality too. Up next, we have an LED pixel matrix display. This is one of my favorite products. You can see it comes in a huge box. It's a 64x64 LED matrix display, and I've already set it up on my table so you can see how bright the display is. This display can be controlled via the app which they provide you, and this display is also powered by an USB-C cable, so you can just plug it to an adapter and it just stays there on. Up next, we have an NFC DIY picture e-ink phone case. So this phone case was very interesting to me. It does not have any batteries or nothing. It just has an e-ink display. And let me just quickly connect to the app and show you how it works. Oh, speeds here. Okay, let me just quickly search for an image. And let me pick this up. You can see there are three modes here. One would be the color, one would be black and white, and one would be the gradient. I choose the first option always because it's always the better one. And you just wait for a few seconds and you can see the LED or the e-ink display flashing behind. Wait for it to refresh and it's done. You can also add custom images to the background. Up next, we are going to show about the base US 10-in-1 dock. So this dock I use very much on a day-to-day basis. You can see it has 3 USB-C ports, 2 USB-A, 2 HDMI ports, and then again power deliveries port, also SD card ports. So it has everything you need on a day-to-day basis. So here you can see dock in action. So I've been using it to connect my 2 TB SSD, and it's connected to the monitor as well as also it has an RJ45, so you can connect it to the Ethernet directly. Up next, we have MacCubic L018 projector. So this cost me around £57. Sometimes you can get it for as low as £50. So this is the packaging which it comes in, and it's a 1080p projector even though it says 4K, and it has auto keystone, obstacle avoidance, and a few other features. You can see here L018 is the model number, and it runs Android 11. So here you can see the projector set up on my tripod, and the stickers don't come included, so that's for notice. And here you can see the camera, which is used for autofocus and keystoning, and it also comes with a basic Android remote. So you can see the projector, even though it's a very bright room, the projection or the quality of projection is very good compared to other projectors at this price point. And it has a few apps included which are very lightweight. As per se, it's just the basic apps which are required. And if you go to the projection settings, you can see I've turned these all off because I've already set my projector up. So you can turn these on while setting up, which is easy to set these things up. And the resolution, as you can see, it's 1080p. It just has 1 gigs of RAM and 8 gigs of storage. And this also connects wirelessly. Here you can see the quality of the projections at night time. So that's it, guys. So this is the video for now. Hope you enjoy the video. Thank you for watching.